Welcome to a new adventure with LMSolutions. Today we present to you Nature's Symphony, a tranquil meditation journey. Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of the natural, a symphony composed by Mother Nature herself, a masterpiece that brings tranquility and peace. Prepare to embark on a journey towards inner peace and harmony, a journey where the rustling leaves, the gentle babbling brooks, and the soft chirping of birds play the symphony of tranquility. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you on this tranquil voyage of self-discovery and serenity. Remember, this is your journey, and you are the conductor of this symphony. As we reach the finale of this journey, if this symphony of tranquility resonates with you, please do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, do check out our specially curated playlist, Serenity in Motion, smooth relaxing meditation videos, for hours of more relaxing music. Welcome aboard. Welcome to a journey of tranquility and peace, where we will explore the power of meditation. This ancient practice, which has been cherished by countless cultures and civilizations throughout history, is more than just a means of relaxation. It's a tool for self-discovery, a pathway to inner peace, and a bridge to a deeper understanding of the world around us. Meditation offers a wealth of benefits, both for the mind and the body. It can reduce stress, increase focus, boost creativity, improve memory, and even strengthen your immune system. It's like a workout for your mind, but instead of lifting weights or running on a treadmill, you're training your mind to be more resilient, more aware, and more tranquil. But how do we achieve this state of tranquility? It starts with creating the right environment. Imagine a quiet, comfortable space where you can retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. A place where you can let go of your worries, focus on your breathing, and simply be present in the moment. This is your sanctuary, your personal oasis of calm. Today we're going to introduce a special kind of meditation that harnesses the soothing power of nature sounds. It's called Nature Sounds Meditation for Tranquility. This type of meditation uses the gentle sounds of the natural world to guide your mind into a state of peaceful relaxation. The rustling of leaves, the gentle babbling of a brook, or the soft chirping of birds can become a backdrop for your meditation, helping you to focus your mind and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Think of these sounds as a gentle lullaby for your mind, a melody that carries you away from the noise and distractions of the world and into a space of quiet contemplation and serenity. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just starting out on your journey, Nature Sounds Meditation for Tranquility can be a powerful tool for achieving a sense of calm and balance in your life. As we delve into the world of meditation, remember, this is your journey. Embrace it. Before we begin, ensure you are in a comfortable position, in a quiet and serene environment. The beauty of meditation lies in its simplicity, but posture and surroundings play a vital role in the overall experience. Your posture should be relaxed yet attentive. You could sit cross-legged on a cushion on the floor, or if you prefer, sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. You can also lie down if that suits you best. The key is to find a position where your body is comfortable and your mind is alert. Comfort is crucial as it allows you to focus on your meditation without distraction. Your environment should be as quiet and peaceful as possible. The tranquility of your surroundings can help you tune into the calming nature sounds more effectively, enhancing your meditation experience. Now that you're comfortable, close your eyes gently and take a deep breath. Let's embark on this journey towards tranquility together. As you breathe in deeply, imagine the fresh air of a lush green forest filling your lungs. Picture yourself standing at the edge of this tranquil forest. It's a place of peace, a sanctuary where nature thrives in all its glory. As you step into this forest, feel the soft crunch of fallen leaves under your feet. The path is clear, inviting you deeper into the heart of the forest. Listen carefully. The forest is alive with the gentle rustling of leaves, a soothing symphony conducted by the breeze. It's a hushed whisper, a secret shared only between you and this forest. Let this sound guide you. Let it become the rhythm of your breath. Inhale the rustle, exhale the calmness. Now, tune your ears to the distant melody of chirping birds. Each note is a testament to the joy of life, a celebration of the day. The birds are singing just for you, their song a lullaby that cradles your thoughts, easing any lingering worries away. Let this music become the soundtrack of your journey. Let it fill your heart with a sense of peace and contentment. Feel the gentle breeze as it caresses your skin. It's a soft touch, a tender stroke reminding you of nature's kindness. Imagine this breeze as a friend, a gentle companion guiding you through the forest. It's a comforting presence, a gentle whisper in your ear saying, "All is well." As you continue your journey, feel the forest tranquility seeping into you. It's a soothing balm, healing any scars, easing any pain. This forest is more than just a collection of trees and birds. It's a universe of calmness, a sanctuary of tranquility. Embrace this tranquility. Let it fill every corner of your being. Let it become a part of you. Imagine this peace as a light, a gentle glow radiating from within you, illuminating your path, guiding your steps. Feel the tranquility of the forest within you. Hold on to that peace. Take another deep breath and imagine now you're by a serene lake, the water gently lapping against the shore. In your mind's eye, see the sun casting a golden shimmer on the water's surface. Hear the soft, rhythmic sound of the waves as they ebb and flow, creating a soothing symphony of tranquility. The gentle ripple of the water, the occasional splash as a fish leaps and dives back in, the subtle whisper of the breeze brushing against the surface. These are the sounds of nature's harmony, a melody designed to calm the soul and quiet the mind. As you breathe in, envision the cool, crisp air of the lakeside, tinged with the fresh scent of water, the earth, and life. Every inhale brings a wave of serenity. Every exhale releases tension, stress, and worry. Let your breath synchronize with the rhythm of the waves, creating a symphony of peace and tranquility within you. Now, imagine yourself dipping a hand into the lake, the cool water wrapping around your fingers like a gentle caress. The sensation is soothing, grounding, a reminder of your connection with the world around you. Allow your mind to become as calm and clear as the water before you. Each wave that rolls onto the shore carries away any lingering thoughts, leaving only peace and clarity in its wake. Let your worries drift away with the current, swept off into the vast expanse of the lake, disappearing into the horizon. Feel the calmness of the water seep into you, filling you with tranquility. It washes over your mind, smoothing out the creases of concern and replacing them with a serene stillness. You are one with the rhythm of the water, your heartbeat syncing with the gentle lapping of the waves against the shore. Absorb the calmness of the water. Let it wash over you, soothing your mind and body. You are at peace, in harmony with the gentle rhythm of the water, the soft whispers of the breeze, and the tranquil melody of nature. Gently bring your awareness back to the room, but hold on to the tranquility you've found. As we draw this meditation to a close, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to let your surroundings sink in. Don't rush this process. Allow the world to come back into focus at its own pace. There's no hurry. The tranquility you've discovered within will not leave you. Sit quietly and just be. Feel the serenity that has enveloped you. Notice the calm that pervades your being, the quiet stillness that has replaced the chatter of your mind. This is the essence of meditation, the gift of tranquility that you've given yourself today. You might feel a sense of lightness, as if a weight has been lifted off your shoulders, or perhaps a sense of peace, as if the storm inside you has quieted down. Each person's experience is unique, and that's the beauty of meditation. It meets you where you are and takes you where you need to go. In the coming hours and days, you might notice some subtle shifts. You might find that you're more patient, less reactive. You might notice that you're more present, more aware of the here and now. These are the fruits of your meditation practice, the benefits that seep into your everyday life. Meditation is not just about the time you spend sitting in silence. It's about how that time impacts the rest of your life. It's about carrying that tranquility with you, letting it color your interactions, your decisions, your responses. You've taken a step on a beautiful journey today, a journey towards inner peace and tranquility, a journey that allows you to experience life in its fullest, to embrace each moment with grace and gratitude. Remember this tranquility, carry it with you into your day. Thank you for joining this journey of peace and tranquility. Until next time, stay serene.